Hello students, welcome to Standard 9 Subject Mathematics, Chapter 14 Statistics. This is lecture number 2. In this we will see the presentation of data. In lecture number 1 we have started with the definition of statistics. In that we have seen that first of all we collect the information, that is called collection of data. So after collecting the data, you know that the next process is to present it, to represent the data. So in this the next level we are in the presentation of the data. The data is collected now and how to represent it. As you know, to represent the data it should be in that form so that the people can understand it very easily. They can understand the data, right? So the examples we will see here how to represent the data related. Example 1 is consider the marks obtained by 10 students in mathematics test as 10 students marks given here in maths test 55, 36, 95, 73, 60, 42, 25, 78, 75, 62. The data in this form is called raw data. It is collected, the collected marks of 10 students in maths test. So it is raw data it is given, in which we have to find the highest and the lowest marks. If you see directly the highest and lowest marks, it will take some time, right? Like here 55, 36, 95, it takes some time to get the highest and lowest marks. So what is the simple way to represent it in which we can understand very easily this type of questions answer? So in the solution, the representation is done, the marks in ascending order. As you know, ascending or descending order also you can write. In ascending order, you know, the numbers are written from lowest to highest, right, in that manner. And in descending order also we can write in that highest to lowest, that way the order is. So in ascending order, first of all the least mark you will find here, right? In this all 55, 36, 95, 73, 60, 42, 25, 78, 75, 62. So 25 is the lowest mark. And after that the larger is 36, after that 42, after that 55, after that 60, after that 62, after that 73, then 75, then 78, then 95. So total 10 students marks are written now in ascending order. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the 10 marks we have in ascending order now. By writing in ascending order, exactly, directly we can say the lowest is 25 and highest is 95. Very simply. And it depends on the presentation of the data. So, this is the representation of data in ascending order, which helps us to find out highest and lowest mark easily. So, here the highest mark is 95 and the lowest mark is 25. On the basis of this highest and lowest values, we have the new quantity in the statistics as range of the data. What is range of the data? Here we have the difference of the highest and the lowest values in the data is called the range of the data. What is called range? The difference between the highest and the lowest. So in this, the range of the data in above example 1, R, range of data is denoted by capital R, equals to highest and lowest difference, that is highest value minus lowest value. In this case example 1, highest is 95 value and lowest value is 25. So 95 minus 25 is 70. This 70 is called for this example as range of this data. So simple. Okay, next example 2 is we have consider the marks of 10 out of 100 by 30 students of class 9 of a school. 30 students marks are 10, 20, 36, 95, 92, 95, 40, 40, 50, 56, 60, 70, 92, 88, 80, 70, 72, 70, 36, 40, 36, 40, 92, 40, 50, 50, 56, 60, 70, 60, 60, 88. So these are the 30 students marks out of 100. This right here. This is again called raw data. Make the data more easily understandable. We have to represent this data so that we can easily understand it. So in the solution, to make the data more easily understandable, prepare a frequency distribution table. How to prepare the frequency distribution table? In earlier classes also we have drawn it. We have prepared it. Same here we will do. So first we have written here all the marks in ascending order. We have not written here the repeated marks. One by one we have written the marks. So the least value here we can see is 10. That we have written 20, 36, 40. In ascending order we have written 50, 60, 70, 72, 80, 88, 92, 95. All marks we have written one time. Now what to do in tally mark, you know very well. One by one we will tally mark here. 10 is one time here, so 1. 20 is one time here, 1 tally mark. 36 one time here, 1 tally mark. 92 one time here, on 92 it is 1 mark. 95 on that 1 mark. 40 on that 1 mark. 50 mark. 56 on that. So 56 is remaining actually. In between this 50 and 60. So we will make one more row here between these two. This mark is remaining, so we will write one more mark here. Here, the missing one, 56 also will add. After 40 it is 50 was there, and on that 1 mark is there we have done, and then 56 is there. So that also 1 mark will do, right? And 60 for that 1 mark, 70, 92. One more will be here because second time 92 comes. So second mark will be 88 on that, 80, 70, one more mark, 72, 1 mark, 70, third mark, 36, second mark, 40, second mark, 36, third mark, 40, third one, then 92, third one, 40, fourth mark, 50, second mark, again 50, third mark, 56, second mark, 60, second mark, 70, fourth mark, 60, third mark, again 60, fourth mark, and 88. So this way by tally mark, we can now understand that getting 10 marks, the number of students are only 1. So only one student get 10 marks, right? Then 20 marks getting students also 1. 36 marks getting students are 3. 40 marks getting students are 4. 50 marks getting students are 3. 56 marks getting students are 2. Number of students getting 60 marks 4. Number of students getting 70 marks also 4. Number of students getting 72 marks only 1. Number of students getting 80 marks 1 student. Number of students getting 88 marks 2 students. Number of students getting 92 marks 3 students, and number of students getting 95 marks only 1. So this way all the 30 students are distributed this way who are getting different marks. So now the data is more understandable, you can understand, you can here directly say anything which is asked about the data. like how many students getting 10 marks or 20 marks, less than 30 marks, that type of questions, or more than 90 marks, getting students are 3 and 1/4. That way we can give many questions answered this way if we represent the data in frequency distribution table. So this is the presentation of data we have done in example 1 and 2, and more type of presentation we will